Yes. So, students, we have class 8, we have completed with the comprehension part, right? And now we come to the language skills. It is on page number 105, chapter number your everything runs on the wheel, right? So, look at these sentences. The early man made a wheel to make their work easier. You use paddles to turn the big wheel, isn't it? So the colored words in the above sentences are infinitives of purpose. So we sometimes use two infinitives to express the purpose, to say why we want to do something or why something is done. As we have already read about the infinitives, gerunds and participles, so all of you know that infinitives के जो verbs हैं उनके आगे to लगा रहता है. और जो ये वाले हैं टू मेक एंड टू टर्न, दीज आर कॉल्ड एज द इन्फिनिटिव्स ऑफ पर्पस. मीन्स दे आर जस्ट टेलिंग अस दैट वाई वी वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग और वॉट इज द purpose of doing this thing. Means they are telling us that why we have done this thing, isn't it? So now we have to rewrite the following sentences using two infinitive. So now, Aman has gone to Japan in order to learn Japanese. Now you will rewrite it again, cutting out the extra words, erasing the extra words from that line. It is written, Aman has gone to Japan in order to learn Japanese. Means you can rewrite it. Why the Aman has gone to Japan? In order to learn Japanese. So you will cut in order to. Aman has gone to Japan to learn Japanese. Is it clear? So now, Alicia switched off the fan's lights as she wanted to save energy. Alicia switched off the fans and lights. She wanted to save energy. Means we will wipe out the word she wanted. Alicia switched off the fans and lights to save energy. As भी कट जाएगा उससे. You will cut as also. Okay. So Ankur hurried home because he wanted to fetch his mobile phone. Now you write it again. Ankur hurried home. आप यहीं पे नीचे ही लिख लीजिए जो स्पेस बची हुई है. Ankur hurried home because भी कट कर दीजिए. To fetch his mobile phone. To fetch his mobile phone. Clear to all? Then we move to the second page. So my friend has left for Mumbai to attend a marriage. My friend has left for Mumbai to attend a marriage. That's it. So you have to cut the part which I have cut. I went to bookshop to buy a dictionary. Is it clear to all? I have went to a bookshop to buy a dictionary. Now read the following sentences. If the early man had not invented the wheel, he would have walked on foot. This sentence has two parts. Part 1 is the if clause and the part 2 is the main clause. Now if it had rained, तो आप कैसे लिखेंगे? I would have got wet. I would have got wet. लिख लीजिए आप. मैं बोल रही हूँ, आप लिखिए. If it had rained, I would have got wet. If I had gone to Hyderabad, I would have seen Charminar. I would have seen. If he had come to me, I would have helped him. If she had tried again, she would have succeeded. If I had known you were coming, I would have waited for you. Is it clear? I am speaking, you can write that down. Now we come to the word power. Match the following verbs with the nouns given in the box. The first one has been done for you. Construct, building. Ride, bicycle. Change, speed. Climb, trees. Find, ways. Cut, corn. B part. Complete the following words using re AR, ER, OR, use the dictionary if necessary. Consider, ER. The first one is ER. The second one is elevator. ER. Ancestor, OR. Sweeper, ER. Singular, ER. Junior, OR. Horror, OR. Scent, RE. Scent, RE. Act, OR, actor. Calendar, ER. Worker, ER. Interior, OR. Now we have to think of a single word that can be added to the following. So you will do it yourself. Is it clear to all? You will do it yourself. Everything I will not provide you ready-made. So it is your duty to do this C and C part yourself. Find out and fit in the words single letter where it is possible to, and make a new letter adding this. And with this you will read the writing skills yourself. Read this given passage and answer that questions that follow. We will discuss the question answers tomorrow of this passage. So it is your duty to read and solve it yourself. Okay, so after your exams, your tomorrow's exam, you can just send me the work, this work which I have given you. So now कुछ लगा के आए हो? मैं So now I have solved it for you. So you can do it like that. First of all, I have told you verbally, but now you can do it like, now complete the following sentences with the help of the words given in the brackets. So if it had rained, I would have got wet. If I had gone to Hyderabad, I would have seen Charminar. If he had come to me, I would have helped him. If she had tried again, she would have succeeded. If I had known you were coming, I would have waited for you. So the next one is, I have done in a written part for you, because some students, they just don't like to do it themselves. So, but the C part you will do it yourself, single letter wala. Ride a bicycle, change speed, climb trees, find ways, cut corn. Then the next one is, complete the following words. Consider, elevator, ancestor, sweeper, singular, junior, horror, center, actor, calendar, worker or interior. And this last one you will do it yourself, as I have told you earlier also. Okay. And this passage is about the postal service originated with necessity of maintaining communication between the different parts of an empire. It helped the rulers govern empires that stretch over large areas. So it is related to the postal services. Earlier, the post was a privilege reserved only for the kings and their officials. There was a little demand for public postal service because few people could read and write. So earlier it was a very rare job. बहुत लिटिल थी ये डिमांड में, क्योंकि बहुत कम लोग थे जो पढ़ते और लिखते थे. ये ओरिजिनेट कहाँ से हुई थी? जबकि हमें कम्युनिकेशन को मेंटेन रखना था. अब when you are living in one country or one city and you want to communicate with one of your friend or your relatives, so to maintain the communication they have to originate this necessity of postal service. So it helped the rulers governing empires that stretched over the large areas. So earlier this post was only reserved for the kings and their officials. पहले तो सिर्फ kings और उनके officials ही लेते थे इसको, but उसके बाद इसकी जो डिमांड थी बहुत कम थी क्योंकि there were very less people who were literate. So nearly all the ancient postal systems were relay systems. तो पहले के जो पोस्टल सिस्टम्स थे बहुत रिले सिस्टम्स की तरह होते थे. दे कंसिस्टेड ऑफ रनर्स और माउंटेड कोरियर्स. ओके, जैसे रिले रेस होती है ना बच्चे, वैसे ही रिले सिस्टम होता था इनका पोस्टल. उनमें वो लोग रनर्स रखते थे और माउंटेड या फिर माउंटेड कोरियर्स को रखा जाता था स्टेशंस एट इंटरवल्स अलोंग मेजर रोड्स. मीन्स रोड्स पे लंबी पे कुछ ऐसे कुछ किलोमीटर्स के लिए बोल दिया जाता था कि इतना इनका इतने किलोमीटर्स 5 किलोमीटर्स तुम रन करके जाओगे, फिर आगे तुम वो मैसेज दूसरे रनर को दे दोगे. तो वो मैसेज फिर दूसरे रनर के पास चला जाता था. तो फिर वो अपने जितने उसको मीन्स बोला हुआ है कि जितने उसको बोला हुआ है कि तुमने भी आपने आगे 5 किलोमीटर्स रन करना है, तो ऐसे कर करके वो रीले कर करके मैसेजेस आगे के रनर्स को देते थे. तो इस तरह से वो लोग मैसेजेस पहुंचाते थे. तो मैसेजेस रिलेड बाय दीज कोरियर्स ट्रैवल्ड स्विफ्टली समटाइम्स मोर देन 150 किलोमीटर्स अ डे. तो कई बार तो ये लोग 150 किलोमीटर्स अ डे के भी मैसेजेस जल्दी भेज देते थे. Many ancient civilizations like Egyptians, Persians, Chinese, they had well organized postal systems. और इन civilizations में इजिप्शियंस जो थे, पर्शियंस और चाइनीज़, इनके बहुत बढ़िया पोस्टल सिस्टम्स थे. इन इंडिया ऑल्सो पोस्टल सिस्टम्स हैड बीन in existence since 1296. Okay, so Alauddin Khilji, the Pathan ruler, and the horse and the foot postal organization to receive the, he had a horse and foot postal organization. जो अलाउद्दीन खिलजी था, पठान रूलर था, उसका हॉर्स एंड फुट पोस्टल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन था टू रिसीव करता था रेगुलर न्यूज़ ऑफ द कंडीशंस एंड प्रोग्रेस ऑफ हिज आर्मी. देन शेर शाह सूरी, इट इम्प्रूव द सिस्टम अ ग्रेट डील इन अ शॉर्ट रूल ऑफ 5 years. इसने शेर शाह सूरी ने पोस्टल सिस्टम को और भी इम्प्रूव कर दिया था. ही गॉट अराउंड 2000 miles लॉन्ग रोड built from Bengal to Sindh and constructed सफाइज along the road. इन्होंने क्या किया, 2000 miles long road बना दी from Bengal to Sindh और constructed सफाइज along the road. He established the most efficient system of horse dispatches throughout his empire. और इन्होंने सबसे बढ़िया एफिशिएंट सिस्टम इन्होंने बनाया. इन्होंने बहुत लंबी रोड बना दी 2000 माइल्स की, जो बंगाल से सिंध तक जाती थी, और वहाँ पे सफाइज को कंस्ट्रक्ट कर दिया और मोस्ट एफिशिएंट सिस्टम थे वहाँ पे हॉर्स डिस्पैचेस के. सो आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग यू द पैसेज, यू विल सॉल्व इट योरसेल्फ. सो द इन्वेंशन ऑफ द प्राइमरी printing press and the growth of education learning during 1400s increased the demand for postal systems. So delivering the mail became a profitable business and private postal services started in many years. प्रिंटिंग प्रेस स्टार्ट हो गई क्योंकि एजुकेशन स्टार्ट हो गई, लर्निंग स्टार्ट हुई ड्यूरिंग 1400. इट इंक्रीज द डिमांड. तो जैसे जैसे एजुकेशन स्टार्ट हुई, लर्निंग स्टार्ट हुई, तो इसकी डिमांड भी बढ़ गई पोस्टल की. डिलीवरिंग मेल बिकेम ए प्रॉफिटेबल बिजनेस. तो जब वो मेल को डिलीवर करते थे, इस बिज़नेस में उनको काफ़ी प्रॉफिट हो रहा था. प्राइवेट पोस्टल सर्विसेज भी स्टार्ट हो गई थी. सो बाय द अर्ली 1600 द टेक्सास फैमिली ऑफ वेना ऑर्गेनाइज्ड द मोस्ट फेमस प्राइवेट. तो 1600 तक एक टेक्सास फैमिली थी वीना की, उन्होंने अपना प्राइवेट पोस्टल सिस्टम स्टार्ट कर लिया था. उन्होंने अराउंड 20,000 कोरियर्स पूरे सेंट्रल यूरोप के लिए रखे थे, जो कि पूरे यूरोप को कवर करते हैं. इन 1680 a merchant named William Dockwra organized the London penny post. Then it delivered mail anywhere in London for a penny. और उसने पूरे लंदन में मेल को वो डिलीवर करता था फॉर अ penny, एक penny के लिए. Delivering mail became so popular after 2 years that the government took control of it. उसके 2 साल के बाद जो पोस्टल सिस्टम था इतना ज़्यादा ये वेग में आ गया था, इतना ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हो गया था कि फिर इसका कंट्रोल जो था पूरा गवर्नमेंट ने ले लिया. तो धीरे धीरे पोस्टल सर्विस जो थी रैपिडली वर्ल्ड में बढ़ती गई. एंड द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द मॉडर्न मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन लाइक ट्रेन्स इम्प्रूव द स्पीड. और जब से ट्रेन्स चलने लगी हैं तो ये आपकी पोस्टल सर्विस और इम्प्रूव होगी, मेल डिलीवरी, क्योंकि ट्रेन से जल्दी पहुंच जाती थी मेल. तो फर्स्ट लेटर बॉक्स वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन द लंडन इन 1855. 1855, and the use of aeroplanes for carrying mail greatly increased the speed of mail delivery in UK, India, USA in 1911. So the growth of electronic postal service has been a major development in recent days. However, the delivery of the letters remains main job of the post offices and postal workers around the world. So, I have explained you the full passage. Now, you people will complete the blanks using information from the passage and find the words from the passage which mean the same as the following.